Hello everybody, I'm Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman channel, and today Paddy and I are going to walk from St. Aubin's back to the Grand Hotel. Here we zoom into St. Aubin on the south coast of Jersey Channel Islands. It's a very simple route for today's walk. We set off from the parish hall, walk past the boathouse and drop down onto the beach. We stay on the beach all the way to our destination. As you can see, the tide was up when the route was plotted, but it was down when we walked it, so we didn't have to walk on water. Lovely day, isn't it? Paddy? Right, so there is the boathouse with the anchor club. Getting ourselves on the beach. Hey.
Yeah. And she must land, I assume, early Friday morning, does she?
Right, so it's a beautiful day. I'm a bit ashamed to tell you, I don't know what the date is. I know we're in September, and I think it's about the 12th or the 13th, but I'll check and put it as a banner on the screen. Paddy. Paddy's loving life. There's Le Petit Train. And we're going to go down onto the beach a little bit. And he's racing down here. Woo! Paddy? Good boy. Here is St. Aubin's. Up there is the Somerville Hotel and the boathouse. The church. Some amazing apartments and houses. And then the coast swings all the way around to St. Helier,
and the Grand Hotel. So, we've had to drying up a bit. That was the old nude food restaurant. I don't know if they've managed to get somebody to take it over. We did a lovely walk up the top of St. Aubin's that way, and then we walked all the way across and came down over there, which is a walk you can check out somewhere on the channel. Well, it's a beautiful day today. Absolutely beautiful. Sea's lovely. Lovely turquoise colour. Gentle waves, the wind's not too bad. Life is good. It has had a sort of feel about winter about it the last couple of days, even though the sun has come out a bit more. It's actually felt colder, but today is pleasant. Not like the summers I remember that used to be belting hot for months on end though. We've had a dreadful summer. I think I'll just walk along the water's edge here a bit and let you listen to the waves and let Paddy off. Oh. Paddy. He likes to swim, but oh. He's soaking now. Paddy, are you enjoying yourself? Uh-oh, we got a wet dog. Let's sort his harness out, it's a bit floppy. You enjoying yourself, Paddy G? Yes. Good boy. Good job we don't have to get back on the bus, Paddy. Paddy, don't be drinking that. Beautiful. Up there is the Gunsight Cafe. Which is very popular. Paddy! Ooh, hello. I mean, he would love a ball, but I haven't brought one with me, and his harness needs to come off because he's managed to get his leg out. Okay. Oh, the seagulls. Paddy?